hot off a 6-month world tour. Hauraki presents Talking Heads' David Byrne, live in New Zealand with his 10-piece band. Michael Fowler Centre, Wellington, Feb 13, and Aotea Centre, Auckland, Feb 14. Tickets on sale now, featuring material and songs of David Byrne, Brian Eno and co, along with all the good stuff from his Talking Heads days. David Byrne, live in New Zealand, presented by Radio Hauraki.
Hauraki. Foreigner, hot-blooded. Hey, congratulations, Karen. Real big Bruce Springsteen fan. We were having a discussion. She said she's got just about all of Bruce Springsteen's albums. She's just got the new one. And I have to tell you, brush with greatness here for me. Karen is related to someone famous on telly. who I won't mention their name because I'll just embarrass Karen, but, you know, she's pretty famous herself. But her famous cousin has got a big gold Lincoln Continental, which I saw today. It looks cool, too. It's about a 64 Lincoln Continental. Very nice, Karen. You should drop in and see your cousin next time he invites you up. But by the way, you've got yourself Bruce Springsteen's Working on a Dream. She says she's just about got all the other ones. The draw on Monday morning is for 16 CDs and 7 DVDs, the entire Bruce Springsteen back catalogue. Best of luck there for Karen. And if you want to get in that draw as well, just text the word BOSS and then your name to 3483 and you're in the draw too. Next chance to win the album after 7 tonight.
You'll always return to Superfern.
Charlie Williams of Superfern has instructed all their stores to sell. Almost everything reduced by up to 66%. The Malay 6-seater solid hardwood outdoor setting is now $399 half price. There are lounge suites that were $899, now $549. There are solid pine queen-size headboards that were $299, now a crazy $99. Easy interest-free finance available. Credit criteria apply. Superfern, Manukau, Henderson, Mount Roskill, Glenfield and Pukekohe.
Today, get our trio of wet and forget home maintenance products and save $50. 5 litres of wet and forget moss and mould remover, Miss Muffet's Revenge long-term spider and cobweb control, and Shower Witch, the non-aggressive revolutionary shower cleaner. Normally $202 for this combo, but today only just $152, saving you $50. 3 hours and counting, so call in now. 44 Crosby Road, Pukekohe, 38 Apollo Drive, Moringi Bay, wetandforget.co.nz or 0800 30 3000.
Bruce Springsteen, one of the finest songwriters of his generation, releases his new album, Working on a Dream. Featuring 12 new songs, including Working on a Dream and Lucky Day. Bruce Springsteen, the new album, Working on a Dream, available now with limited edition DVD. Get it from the CD and DVD store and receive free and exclusive Springsteen lithograph.
If you love food, you love Hotel Kitchen Appliances.
Hi, I'm Simon Galt from Jervois Steakhouse and Saloon. I'm often asked, how do you cook your signature prime rib? Well, it's all about the appliance. It's slowly cooked for 8 hours at a very low temperature. And when I'm shopping for my equipment at home, I only use Hotel Kitchen Appliances.
If you love food, you love Hotel Kitchen Appliances.
It's time to break out the fishnets, the alien suits, the hairspray or whatever tickles your fancy. Organise your mates, book the cabs and do whatever it takes to be ready for the most outrageous all-time party of 2009. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about the NZI Sevens at Westpac Stadium on Friday the 6th and Saturday the 7th of February. Whether you've scored tickets or just want to soak up all the fun, action and fantasy, you must go to nzi7s.co.nz for everything that's happening in Wellington on Sevens weekend. The teams are ready. Make sure you are.
Find out how national road carriers can be a great business partner for you. If you're part of the transport industry, come along to their open day this Saturday. Whether you're a single vehicle or a fleet, you could be taking advantage of the great range of benefits and support they provide, including New Zealand's largest fuel scheme. The National Road Carriers Open Day, this Saturday from 9 till 2:30, 326 Church Street, Penrose.
National Road Carriers, your leading transport association, helping your business become a success.
Hi, Chris James from Perry's West Auckland. Check our website, perrys.co.nz, that's perrys.co.nz, to view our full range of new Nissan Demonstrators, Triple S Suzukis, and our huge range of top quality used vehicles. You can even book a service or make a parts inquiry. So give us a call on 0800 568 373. That's 0800 Love Perry's.
Perry's West Auckland. Call 0800 Love Perry's.
Gentlemen, ignite your barbies with the best barbecue album ever. 36 sizzling hits on 2 mouth-watering CDs. It's a recipe for your best summer yet. It's hot, the best barbecue album ever. Now at the Warehouse. Auckland classic rock
99 FM.
That rocks radio.
I did not shoot the dead. I shot the sheriff. I swear it was in self-defense. Freedom came my way one day, and I started out of town fair. All of a sudden I see Sheriff John Brown aiming to shoot me down. So I shot him down. I swear. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot the deputy. Reflexes got the better of me, and what is to be must be. Every day the bucket goes to the well, but one day the bottom will drop out. Yes, one day the bottom will drop out. I say, I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot the deputy. Oh no, I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot no deputy. Oh no.
It's Phil Gifford with Loosehead at Large on Radio Hauraki.
Have a guess, if you will, at what I'm talking about here. It's something that includes scumbag millionaires, Top Guns for hire, Swiss bank accounts, spying,